When you first open the gate effect, only these controls on the right side are shown. This arrow here will open up the sidechain and EQ processing. We'll go over that in a little bit, but the main controls for the gate are here on the right side. The threshold and return are the two main controls on the gate to adjust the gate settings. The threshold is the level the sound has to reach for the gate to open. So if we turn this all the way up, nothing will reach the threshold line here, so no sound will get through the gate. We can see the dark gray here, which shows no signal passing through. As we lower this, we'll start to hear the louder parts of the sound play, but everything below that is cut off. The lighter gray is showing which part of the signal is passing through. If we were to turn this all the way down, we'll hear all the drums, and we can see the signal is light gray now.